Fun fact, there's an airplane called Citabria out there. There we go. And if you reverse that name, you'll get aerobatic. So we'll want to take an argument as input here. Make sure it works. And then we need to convert that argument to a list so we can compute it, so we can play around with it. And then we need to create another list in which we're going to be storing the output, basically. And then, in a loop, if there is still one or more instances in the text list, we take the last instance of the text list, add it to the result list, and remove it from the text list. There's an error here, so we need to remove that true and replace it with a check for the list length. Now we'll get it in list form, so all we need to do is convert it, or convert that to a string, basically. Now, for a sentence, you still need to add quotes to the arguments for the program to count them as one argument. So we'll cycle through all the arguments, add the argument and the space to our input text, and if it's the last argument, we don't add the space. Now just a print statement in case we'll forget to put in an argument. And it works. I'll see you in the next one.